Hey there, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this What's in My Stash video. Today I'm going to talk about basically some other shapes in dies, and I've cut a whole bunch out of all of the dies that I have so that I can show you. So the first pack I have, so I've got two sets here. I've got one, the Simon Says Stamp Perfect Shapes, and then I've got the Do Crafts Mini Hexagons. So these are the Do Craft Mini Hexagons, and these are the die cuts you see here. Not a bad size, really good if you want to do some pattern play on a card. And then all the rest of these dies are the Simon Says Stamp Perfect Shapes, and they make all of these different dies. These ones I was kind of hoping when I bought them they'd be a little bit bigger, but again, you can do a lot of geometric kind of shape play with it on cards, do multiple colors and patterns. So this is a pretty cool set. So I really like these two sets here. Again, this is the Do Crafts Mini Hexagons, and this one here, all the rest of them are the Simon Says Stamp Perfect Shapes. And I'm going to go into some other sets here, and we've got some Spellbinders dies here. This here is a set that goes together these, and it's called the Love Locket. It comes with this key and this little locket. I've had these absolutely forever, and they die cut these two dies, which I really like. They're very, very decorative. So I have those two to show you, and then there's this one here, which is by Do Crafts. This is a smaller heart, and you can kind of see the detail there. Really like the detail on that heart. And then the last one here on this set is also from Spellbinders, and it's called the Vines of Passion. And that's the die there, and this is the die cut. Pretty nice there with the different vines, and you could cut another heart in behind to layer it to have another color, so it would be black on red or black on whatever color. I've done that multiple times, and I really get a lot of use out of this package. I love this lock and key set by Spellbinders, one of my absolute favorites. Going on to my next package, these are Simon Says Stamp dies. And the first one here is this large heart doily. So there is the die and there is the die cut. Lots of details on there, and it's a good size. And then these dies here are a set of 4, and it's the large heart set. And I've die cut one of each of those to be able to show you. Not bad sizing and a couple different shapes in those heart dies. That is those sets. And then love this one here. This is from Simon Says Stamp, and this is their Stacked Hearts die. And it's a pretty cool little die. This is what the die looks like. It's a one piece, and it's going to cut out the outline plus all of these little hearts. And if you save all the hearts, you can die cut inlay them. It pretty much takes front stage and center on a A2 size card, and again you can paper piece in all the hearts or some of them or none of them. So a good variety of choices with this die here on how to use it. Then the last package here has just a ton of dies on it here. I'm going to start out with this one in the corner here. This is the Paper Smooches Stars die set. And I'm not going to show you all the dies, but there is this one here that's like this, and it does kind of the layers. So you've got lots of different sizes, you've got outlines, and I have basically taken and die cut maybe 3 colors and then had this one blue, red, and yellow or whatever to intermix the colors. So I really like this set. It's kind of unique, and I really like that. That's from Paper Smooches. And then there is the Mini Hearts outline, and this is by Simon Says Stamp, and I'll just pick this one up here to show you. So that's what the die looks like, and I die cut them, and I just put them in this little envelope to keep them separate from all the others. As you can see, you have little hearts and little outlined hearts, and they're very, very cute on a project. You could use those as basically like a sequin idea or in a shaker card. So this is a really nice little die set for that. Then also from Simon Says Stamp, this is a small set. It's called the Simon Says Stamp Holiday Shape Hearts set. And it's got these little stars and little hearts, and they're all a variety of sizes. And I like that again for small little elements. And then also we have the Simon Says Stamp Mini Hearts set. So you've got this shape in 3 different sizes. You've got this shape in 3 different sizes, and you've got this shape in 3 different sizes. Again, this too would be good for shaker cards or confetti type pieces. So those are the die cuts from this sleeve. So that is what I'm going to show today in my What's in My Stash. There was so much to die cut. I really like the variety shapes. Keep in mind, there are so many other shape dies on the market. So many companies make various shapes, but I wanted to show these because these are the ones that I have in my stash. And again, a lot of these I've had for quite a while, and they're still around, and it just means that I use them a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.